One very important rule in the guidelines is this one: no task should have more than 20 speaker labels. When the 21st speaker is introduced in the task, you should end the transcription there. So, if there are many people speaking in one task, and you have created 20 speaker labels for each of them, when you hear the 21st separate person talk, this is where the task should be ended. If the task was originally 3 minutes long, but we hear the 20th speaker, let's say, on an example, in the 2 minutes and 18 seconds mark, and after that, we hear a new person talk. This is where we would end the transcription. You should note that when counting the speaker labels, all kinds of speaker labels are counted towards the 20 speaker limit. This includes pre recorded speakers and unidentifiable speaker label. So we should only transcribe up to 20 unique speaker labels.